So even with just the the coloring of the saturation on it is amazing. Just make me smile. Just make me smile. It sounds so good even when it's being very transparent. And because I actually use this more on the clean side, of course, as a basis. I don't really like the way it distorts. But I'll show you guys. So, let's see. I don't particularly like it. Like, to me, that's not a really pleasing sound. See if I can get it just to do it a little bit. I didn't like it before, but as I turned it all the way up, and if you let it hit just slightly, just that little touch, just a little touch like I did before. But if you want something extreme, cause I can hear that on top of something like this poly blue. Put that joint on top of a poly blue. Let me see. has like this natural breakup, like noise gate on it almost. Like if it turned all the way up, and it's like it's cutting off on its own. As long as you playing cleanly, but when you hold it, it's like some gate on there. I don't think I had nothing. I got a gate on here somewhere. Where that gate at? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's this doing it. Okay, that's fire. That's fire. And what I'm saying is I can use that like let me see. Let me add a filter real quick, and I can run that into a filter. Oh yeah, let's do the resonance filter. So I'm gonna use a resonance filter on the B6. Oh, let's go. I'm also going to turn on the Empress compressor, and that's running at a 10:1 ratio with let's say about 75% dry and 25% of the compressor is in parallel compression.
Wow.